Hi guys, good day. It's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class, it's all about the Fibonacci sequence. So without further ado, let's do this topic. So the first part of our video class, we will be finding some terms. Alright, and it will be quite tricky later on because we are told to find the 20th term for number 3. Find the 20th term of this given sequence. Now, to find the 20th term, you can do it manually, but it will take time. That's why we do have the Binet's formula. Because if you are told to find the 50th term, alright, so it will take time for you to add those numbers, starting the first term up to the 50th term. So that's why we have this formula. And I will teach you class how to solve for the 20th term using the formula. By just pressing the calculator, you can get the answer right away. So if the teacher will allow you to use calculator, that would be good for you. Alright, so in the next part of our video class, this one, we will be solving recursive formula. This will be the formula class. F sub n equals f sub n minus 2 plus f sub n minus 1. This is still Fibonacci sequence. So we will explain that later on, the next part of our video. So feel free to see the link on the description down below with regards to the part 2 of our video using recursive formula. Alright, so by the way, Fibonacci class is actually the sum of two preceding terms. So the general pattern of Fibonacci sequence, it will start at 0. Some of the examples, they will start at 0, but we will just start in 1 because 0 plus 1 is still 1. So first term is 1 and then 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, and so on. So to get the next term, of course, you just simply add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8, that would be the next term. That is 13. So in Fibonacci class, you just simply add the preceding terms. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8, that would be the next term. So in Fibonacci, this one here, we designate this one as our f sub 1. The second one is our f sub 2. The third one is our f sub 3. This 3 will be our f sub 4, 5 will be our f sub 5, and 8 will be our f sub 6. And we will be using this f in our recursive formula on the part 2 of our video. Now, this one class, in number of terms, of course, this one will be our first term. You can write that a sub 1. The second one will be our second term. The 2 will be our third term. 3 will be our fourth term. 5 will be our fifth term. And 8 will be our sixth term. Alright, so that's how you write the terms class. So and that's how you write the f sub 1, f sub 2, f sub 3. So let's try to solve this one class. Number 1, find the next term. So you are told to find the next term. So what will be the next term class? Let's add. So let's try to add if this sequence is Fibonacci. Let's try to add. So 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 7 plus 12, that is 19. So what will be the next term class? So we add 12 and 19. So 12 plus 19. 12 plus 19, that would be 11, carry 1, 31. So the answer for this one is 31. Easy, right? For Fibonacci. So let's try number 2 class. Find the next 3 terms. So once again, you just simply add 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 8 plus 13, that would be 21, right? 8 plus 13 is 21. And 13 plus 21 class, what would be the answer? Okay, 13 plus 31, that is 34. Alright, 13 plus 21, that is 34. And 21 plus 34, that would be 55. Alright, so the next 3 terms, that would be 21, 34, and 55. Alright, so what if we have example like this? Once again, the Binet's formula class, you can only apply this one if the given patterns is this one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. So if you're looking for the 50th term with this pattern, you can apply the Binet's formula. Alright, so we have this given pattern, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. And we're looking for the 20th term of this given sequence. Alright, so this will be the case class if you use the calculator. So this will be f sub 20 equals f sub 20 equals, let me just write it in black. So this will be f sub 20 equals 1 over square root of 5. Sir, why is it 20? Because you're looking for the 20th term. And the 20th term, that would be a sub 20. Okay, a sub 20. That's the same with f sub 20. Check class. The first term is f sub 1. The second term is f sub 2. Therefore, the 20th term, that would be f sub 20. Alright, so f sub 20, that would be quantity 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. And our n is 20. We're looking for the 20th term minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 20, then close bracket. Alright, so let's use the calculator, class. Let's check. Using the calculator, we can get the answer right away, class. By just using the calculator, you will get the answer right away, easily. So, let's use the calculator. So, if you have this calculator, alright, the 501ES, you can have 570ES, you have the Casio there. Or if you have this kind of calculator, so first thing is you press this fraction. I hope you see this one, class, fraction. Then the equation there is 1 over square root of 5. So 1. Then you can press this circle, class. This will be your arrow keys. Then you put your cursor in the bottom part. Okay. Alright, then square root of 5. So you have this one. So 1 over square root of 5. Then check the equation, class. You have two brackets, this one. Okay. But bracket and parentheses. So you have two parentheses. You can write that as two parentheses. So two parentheses. Alright. I hope you see this one. Then you press the fraction. Then from the equation 1 plus square root of 5. Then you put the cursor bottom part. Because you need to write 2. So 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then you move your cursor, class. It must be on the middle part. Okay, this middle part here. Because if you move it on the top. Okay, if you move the cursor on the top. Okay, let me pass. This one. Okay. Now if you move your cursor on the top, your cursor will be at square root of 5. Then you put parentheses. That will be the case, class. Okay, the close parentheses is not on the 2 and square root of 5. It's only on 5. So you need to delete that one. You must put your cursor on the middle part. Alright, so that's that one. So close parentheses. Then raise to the power this one, class. X raised to the power of this one beside x squared. So press this one. And you press 20. Then once again, you put your cursor on the middle part. Because if you put minus sign, because this is minus. If you put minus sign directly, there would be 20 minus. So delete that one. Your cursor must be on the middle part. Then minus. Then parentheses. Then fraction, this one. Below cal. Okay. And then 1 minus square root of 5. Then you move your cursor on the bottom. 2. Then once again, you put the cursor on the middle part. Then close parentheses. Then this one, raised to the power, beside log. So I hope you see this one, beside log, class. Raised to the power, beside log. Alright, then 20. Then once again, move your cursor on the middle part. Then close parentheses. Alright, so I hope you see that one, class. So that'll be, you can check your answer, double check your answer, class. So let's double check. We have 1 over square root of 5. Then 2 parentheses. Then 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 20 minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2 raised to the power of 20. Alright, then press equal sign, class. And your answer will be 6,765. That's it, class. That's the 20th term. 6,765. Let me just write the answer here. 6,000. Alright, so f sub 20, that would be 6,765. Alright, so that's the answer. Now let's try to do it manually, class. Or let's solve this one step by step. So what if, sir, you don't have the scientific calculator? We just have the ordinary calculator. That's okay. Okay, so let us solve this one step by step. If you don't have the scientific calculator, you have the ordinary calculator. So this will be f sub 20 equals 1 over square root of 5. And then parenthesis, okay, or bracket. Then simplify this one class. 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, quantity raised to the power of 20. So that would be, okay, fraction 1 plus square root of 5. 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Then raised to the power, close parenthesis, then raised to the power of 20. You will get, what's the answer, class? 15,126.99993. So you need to have 5 decimal places, class. 5 digits on the decimal for that, so that your answer will be near to exact. Okay, so this will be 15,000 or 15,126.99993. Alright, so minus the answer for this one. Okay. Close parenthesis, fraction 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Then close parenthesis, raised to the power of 20. Alright, so we have 6 point, I hope you see this one class, 6.610696.135 times 10 raised to the power of negative 5. This is actually scientific notation, class. So we convert this one. So if this is negative 5, therefore you move the decimal places right to left 5 times. Okay, you move this decimal from the left side 5 times. Okay, so this is negative 5. This is positive, you go to the right. Now, since this is negative, therefore you move to the left 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, and then you will add 4 zeros. So do not be worried, class. If you see an answer with a scientific notation, do not be worried about that. If this is negative 5, you move 5 units to the left. If this is positive 5, you move 5 units to the right, starting from the decimal. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, our answer will be 0.01234. 0, 0, 0. Then 6, we need to have 5 decimal places. Alright, so since after 6 is 6, so therefore we can round it up into 7. 0.00007. 0.00007. Then close parenthesis, then bracket. Alright, so this will be f sub 20 equals 1 over square root of 5. Then you can multiply this one, negative times positive. So therefore, it will be negative. So this will be 15,126.99993 minus this one, 0.00007. Alright, I hope you see this one, class. Let me just write it. Minus 0.00007. And then this will be f sub 20 equals 1 over square root of 5. Then you subtract this one. So this will be 15,126.9993 minus 0.00040, then 7. Then you will get 15.126.99986. I hope you see this one, class. 15,126.99986. Sir, why is it 5-digit decimal? So that our answer is near to exact. So multiply this one. So fraction 1 over square root of 5. Alright, then times 15. No, this is not 15 point, class. This is 15,000. Sorry, this is 15,126 times 15,126.99986. Close parenthesis. And you will get 674.999997. Alright, 6764.9999949. 5 nines then 7. Alright, so your answer, class, must be a whole number. Since we're adding the terms and the terms are whole numbers, so we need to round it off to the nearest ones. So after 4 is 9, so therefore this will be f sub 20 Alright? So after 4 is 9. So therefore, we can round it up in 6,765. You will get the same answer, class. Alright? By computing it manually, you will get the same answer. So let's try to compute this one, class, manually by just adding the terms. If we get really 6765. Okay? So you pause the video because I will be erasing this one, the solution. And we will answer this one manually. What if the teacher will not allow you to use calculator? So what will be the thing that you will do? Okay, let's explain that for you to really understand that one. Okay, so let me calculate this one manually. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. So this will be f sub 1. This is your first term. So just put a sub 1. First term, you're told to find the 20th term. Second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. So 8th term will be 8 plus 13, that would be 21. This is 8th term, a sub 8. 21 plus 13, that is 34. That would be your 9th term. And your 10th term will be 34 plus 31, that is 55. That would be your 10th term. Alright, your 11th term, just add this one, 34 plus 35. So 34 plus 55, 989. Alright, so 89 will be the 11th term. Or the f sub 11. Alright, 89 plus 55. So this will be 9 plus 5 is 14, 4 carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 5 is 14, 144. So the 12th term is 144. Alright, let's check if we get this answer. So 144 plus 89. Okay, 144 plus 89. This will be 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry 1, 233. So this will be 233, your 12th term. 13th term. Alright, so 233 plus 144, this will be 773, 377. 377, this will be your 14th term. So that's why, class, if you do it manually, it will take time. So 377, 77 plus 233. So this will be 7 plus 3 is 10, carry 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry 1. So this will be 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6, 610. 610 is the 15th term. Alright, so 15th term. Or f sub 15. So 610 plus 377. So that will be 0 plus 7 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 987. So 987 is the 16th term. Alright, 987 plus 610. So 987 plus 610, that would be 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So 1597, that is 17th term. We're almost done. So last 3. So 1597 plus 987. Alright, so this will be 7 plus 7 is 14, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 is 18, carry 1. Alright, then 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Or 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 9 is 15, carry 1. 2584. 2584. Alright, so this will be the 18th term. So last 2. So you add this one. 2584. 1597. So this will be 4 plus 7 is 1, carry 1, 11, carry 1, carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 9 is 18, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry 1. 400. 4181. Okay, 4181. That would be your 19th term. Alright, so the last one. Alright, so we're done. We're almost done. So last one is 2584, the 18th term plus the 19th term, 4181. Let's check if we get 6765. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 8 is 16, carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. The 20th term class. Alright, so you get the 20th term manually. So, it will take time class if you do it manually. So, that's why we have the Binet's formula, this one. So, once again, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your classmates' class and to your friends so that we can help more students. So, once again, the next part of our video is using the recursive formula. And feel free to see the link in the description down below on how to solve this one. So, once again, this is Teacher MJ, and you have a great day. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.